Sabay mo na rin yung door cards. Sarado mo na yung door cards. Sidings. Tapos Kuya George ha. Barinahan natin yung susian. Para wala nang balikan.
Wala mati sir, testing muna. Okay. Diba? Oh, diba? Oh.
Sige, diretso. Diretso lang. Diretso mo lang. Yan, kaliwa ng konti. Sige. Konti lang. Sige, kaliwa sa kanti.
Okay. So ang reklamo ni customer is kapag malamig pa yung transmission fluid, nagja-jerk. Kanina first gear to second gear pagpasok may jerk and then biglang umilaw yung all-wheel drive system. So since napalabasan natin yung problem, let's go back to the shop and plug in the scanner to see what's the problem and what's causing the problem. Meron siyang fault code ng PASM, which is the suspension, and then all-wheel drive, and then other faults. Pero I think baka basic lang to, baka simpleng speed sensor lang yung problem na to. So normally sa mga Macan, Cayenne, pag merong isang speed sensor or ABS sensor na hindi nagre-reading, babato siya ng 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive fault, and then syempre magkakaroon yun ng effect sa transmission, sa shifting. So check natin just to be sure. So we have the fault codes. So meron tayong active na rear left speed sensor and then front left speed sensor. Now pwede natin siya i-verify sa live data. So ano ba yung live data? Live data is we will check each sensor kung may binabasa ba siya. So we have the left front wheel and then the right left front wheel and the left rear wheel. So let's check kung may magbabago. Reverse. Okay, may binabasa naman si left and right front. But the left rear wheel, kita nyo 0. So yung left rear is walang reading, and then the left front, right front, and then right rear may reading. Si left rear is 0. So okay, it's just a speed sensor kagaya ng tingin natin. So yan muna ang una natin papapalitan. Left rear wheel speed sensor.